Okay, I'm going to do a short video to explain why I consider a weather station integration with IFTTT to be pretty important. What I'm doing here, for one thing, doing that integration is very important for anybody who wants to do smart house applications of weather stations. But I run a local weather prediction Twitter feed that I have about 3,000 followers for that feed. And I'm going to show you some of the recipes I have on IFTTT that really automatically post some significant weather events in the area. This one right here is one that if the heat index gets above 104.9, it sends out a warning of excessive heat issues. And let me see if I can bring that up. So it tweets a dangerous heating is occurring, and it has the parameter temperatures at my location. So it definitely is useful for my followers to get that alert. And a weather station that doesn't have some sort of an integration with this service really is kind of useless for me. And there are many other things I have here that get triggered by various parameters. I have a wind gust if it gets above a certain level, but there are some other things here that I want to show you. Let me see if I can find it. Yep. The rainfall rate here, when a particular rainstorm starts producing a very high rate of rain, I know the local streets in the area of Alexandria, Virginia will start flooding. And so again, when that occurs based upon my Ambient Weather Osprey's readings, it sends out a tweet alerting my followers that they need to be aware of urban flooding. So, I mean, that's the reason why this is important for a lot of us who have personal weather stations. It's more than just connecting it up to Weather Underground. Some of us are doing a lot more sophisticated things with these weather stations. And it's just unfortunate that some manufacturers really don't provide that integration. Ambient Weather does, and there's a new weather station that's just starting on the market called Weather Flow that has integration to IFTTT. So that's my opinion, and I hope that's helpful for some people who might be looking at weather stations. You need to check to make sure they do, in fact, have IFTTT integration.